Hello, and welcome to Read Alouds with Mr. Brennan. Today, I'm going to read Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Willems. Here we go. Pigs make me sneeze.
Gerald! What do you want to do today?
I wanna.
Yes?
A
what? A ball? A swim? A hat?
Achoo! Whoop! Poor piggy. Is he flying through the air?
Are you okay?
I do not know. Achoo! Whoop! I cannot stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze?
Huh?
Achoo!
What if you tried and sneezed more softly?
Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever.
But Gerald,
No, do not speak. It is too late. I, Choo. Goodbye.
Gerald! Huh?
Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze! And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too.
Womp.
I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You're sick. I'm sick? I'm sick. Oh boy. Thank you, doctor. Yes. I'm sick. Piggy. I have a cold.
Yeah, good for you.
So does Piggy, because Gerald sneezed all over him earlier. Does Piggy look as happy as Gerald? Not really. All right, if you look, you can see if you can find the pigeon. He's right there. Yeah. Awesome. Thanks for listening to Pigs Make Me Sneeze, and I hope you have a fabulous day.